D3 is about overhead costs. What's the difference between fixed and variable overhead expenses? What is the difference between plant-wide rates, departmental rates, and individual cost driver rates? What are the benefits and limitations of each one of those methods? What are the components of variable overhead expense? Calculate the per unit variable overhead expense. What are the components of a fixed overhead? Calculate the fixed overhead application rate. How can fixed overhead be over or under applied, and how this difference then is charged either the cost of goods sold or the work in process and finished goods inventory? Compare and contrast traditional overhead allocation with activity-based overhead allocation. Calculate the overhead expense as activity-based costing setting. What area companies allocate service departments, human resources, and so on activities to the different products. Calculate service and support department using the direct method, the reciprocal method, step down. Now, maybe the step down, I don't know. I can't see a problem in that. Allocation is pretty straightforward. However, there's one technique that's not on the screen here that you should be familiar with, and that is high and low prediction of how costs will behave. Estimate the fixed costs using the high-low method. All right, so overhead costs, again, maybe a lot of definitions. Look at how they are applied to the products, the difference between traditional overhead application and activity-based overhead